awards.
Yeah.
Then sangena kwaba ne-FIFA but angisakhumbuli last year.
Yeah.
Because nathi siyabukela ama-awards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, aranwa ngisesiXolile Sithole.
Okay.
I-director yema-Hanisa Slis.
Okay, shout out
From
to her.
yeah. In Nkomazi.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then sangenelela.
Yeah.
I-community yonke yaseMbombela yasivotela.
Eish.
Sayiwina cause khona amabhizinisi amanye bekakhona lengisiwashe ngemagama cause bongasi i-MFC kuphela bekakhona but ngokusapotwa abantu nabathatha i-MFC sayiwina le-awards konke kanjalo.
Sorry ngibalandzeli shembe MMC. I-award ayikho namuhla ngimdumile bayemandleleni besola siyiplanile befuna siyende last week so ngimdumile. I-award is officing anytime soon siyibona awards. Sayibamba sabayithobe sayifaka nakulo. Was when a big function and something bad happened that day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell us about that function. Ngoba bathi so we couldn't make it. Something happened and we had to ngala kulabo gogo.
Yeah, no, October vele i-MFC ihlaza mnyaka.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, October ihlaza mnyaka MFC.